I'm Danielle from the parts department here at the Hitch House. Today we're going to go over the 5 essentials that every beginner RVer might need in their kit, starting with the water treatments. We have everything from cleaners, deodorizers, to cleansers. Second on our list is leveling blocks. They come in many different styles where you can build your own. Large pads, but what we recommend is the SnapPad. Made in North America from recycled tire, this is a one-time installation SnapPad that clicks on the bottom of your leveling foot and travels with your unit everywhere you go. So as soon as you pull up to that spot, you can hit your automatic level button and you've got yourself covered. Next on our list is a surge protector, and it does exactly what its name says. Protects your delicate electronics from surges in power. Next on our list, because you can't enjoy the great outdoors without a good cooking setup, we have both grills and griddles that come in low flow and high flow options. Number 5 on our list is one of our smallest parts but can save you thousands of dollars in repair. This is a water regulator, and that regulates the water going into your unit. Thanks for watching, and you can leave all your questions in the comments below. From the parts department at the Hitch House, see you on the road.